Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you all Old Gold.
Yeah, how y'all doing?
Great.
Yeah, good. Wow.
You do better than that. How y'all doing? That's what I want to hear.
Yeah, my man, my D. You know, yeah, let's just do it. I'm gonna talk later. This is for my ancestors who all told me to be my head. They say, go, you know, you gotta stay focused. You gotta do what you need to do for your community. There's a lot of young adults and kids out here hurting the streets today. So I try to do my part with my poetry. A lion's mane, shoulders back, head lifted, pointed straight forward. And evolution is always taking place in her stride. They swing like a pendulum, so her thoughts are free flowing. On occasion, in elevators of corporate buildings, her cerebral state of mind is randomly interrupted by, "Excuse me, but I love your hair. How do you get it like that? May I touch?" "No, but thank you, but no. You cannot touch my hair." You see, these strands are sacred stories, like this one here, whose roots extend back to 1619, when the first documented slave ship landed on the shores of North America in Jamestown, Virginia. I hear kings and queens who became popular superhero spirituals under the hot sun, while beads of sweat formed on their foreheads and glistened like diamonds to remind them of their royalty. Majestic. And this one reps the lexicon of my people, with sayings like, "Gotta catch the kitchen in the back, keep me roots and naps, oh you got snaps, and you dance and jive talk." We are vibrant and brilliant, and our hair is as diverse as the hues of our skin, from blue, black to high yellow and everything in between. All natural, all beautiful. We are the braids and the cornrows plaited together. We stay connected throughout the ghettos of the world. And this one sharing knowledge like water streaming from the faucet, letting us know that blacks were not the first to reside in the ghetto. We're preceded by the Jews, the Italians, the Asians, and the Irish. So we don't have to stay here if we don't choose to. The ghetto is a mentality. And this one, Malcolm, Martin, reminded me of the sacrifice they made to stand tall like a California redwood tree, strong, capable, able, conscious to understand that an injustice to one is an injustice to all. Sojourner Truth, Harriet Tubman, Madam C.J. Walker, Nikki Giovanni, Sonia Sanchez, Deborah Lee, Oprah Whitney, Whitney Houston, Queen Latifah, Angela Davis, Shirley Chisholm, the first black female congresswoman, Shirley Chisholm, trailblazers, trailblazers. Oh yeah. Wait a minute. I have one more. Way to go. Oh, here it is. This little one right here. This is the future. Today's urban youth. This is hip hop, jazz, the spoken word, the poet, the griot, the student, the teacher, the doctor, the CEO, the nurse, the athlete, the minister, the homosexual, the heterosexual, the lesbian, the bisexual, the transgender, the questionable, the mulatto, el moreno, the disabled, the homeless, the caregivers of our community, who envelop our spirit in a warm blanket and rock it like a baby in a cradle, while singing to us sweet lullabies and sharing their stories in order to teach us how to create our own stories. This is my community. So no, you cannot touch